In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to start by launching your keyboard. Now click on the microphone icon at the top right corner, and if it's not visible, select this gear one first. Then click on voice typing on the left and enable it thanks to this switcher. You can also click on this one next to emojis on Toolbar to turn it off or switch it on. Whatever you decided, when you're done, after enabling voice typing, use this microphone. Click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. And now my favorite part. Click on your microphone and select tiny icon that will appear right next to it. Then hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you want to add emojis, you will see this icon here if you enabled it in the settings I showed before. To close emojis keyboard, click at the top right corner of it. By tapping on this icon on the left, you can manage those settings. If you want to move your toolbar, just hold it and drag it. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!